Cribl stream functions, eval. Eval is actually a very simple function, but it's also very, very powerful. It's used to execute arbitrary expressions to generate new fields or to modify existing ones of your data. So it can perform calculations, it can manipulate strings or format and transform event data. And this function is highly versatile and can be applied to various scenarios like adding metadata, enriching data, or removing unnecessary fields. That being said, let's say I have an example here and I've got the field source equal Cribl. I don't want to use that anymore. I can basically add a, as you say, remove field source, and as you can see, it's edited out. So that being said, let's go into a quick demo and see how you can do it yourself, and we use a couple of functions. Okay, so let's take a look at what I want to do is I want to add a function here. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to select the eval function. And for this, I'm going to do a real easy one. Over here, I've got source Cribl, and I'm going to remove the field source. And as you can see, it removed it. Now I want to actually do another one now. I want to add a field. And for the add a field, I'm just going to do a test. And then for this, I'm just going to call it my test. Not very imaginative, but it actually should get the points. And as you can see, I add the new field. Once again, very simple, very powerful. There's a lot of things you can do with it, so don't forget to check out the documentation. Okay, as I said, pretty easy. Once again, documentation, check out the eval documentation. And there's also a couple examples in the pipeline tips and tricks, so check that out too.